Hi everyone, welcome to the next of our Love Your Skin series. I hope you've been enjoying our videos so far. I wanted to talk to you today about Skinade, which is a collagen drink. Skinade is available in two sizes, in the travel size and in the standard size. So the standard size is 5 bottles in each box, and the travel size comes with 10 sachets. So it comes in 30-day kits. This is the travel sachet, so you can see this is nice and small, really good to take away on holiday with you, or some people just prefer to use the travel size rather than the big sizes. The big sizes come in bottles and you drink them as they are. The travel sachets you put into a glass of water. So what is Skinade? Skinade is a collagen drink, and it's also full of so many other things, and it's to improve your skin. Primarily we talk about it for skin because that's what we're talking about here at the spa, but it also really improves your hair, your nails. Collagen is throughout the whole entire body, so collagen is really important. Now as we age, we start to lose our collagen in our skin, so that's why we start to get the wrinkles. So if you imagine your skin is sitting here and underneath is the collagen. It's a bit like the scaffolding of your skin, and as the collagen starts to disappear as you age, the scaffolding disappears and the skin starts to sink down, so that creates your wrinkle. So that's why we need to replace the collagen as we start to age. So we can replace the collagen from the inside and from the outside. We have lots of treatments that we do where we're actually working on from the outside and improving the collagen, but a great thing to do alongside that is to be drinking a collagen drink so that you're replenishing the collagen from the inside as well. So as well as collagen in Skinade, we also have vitamin B. So it's really good for giving you a little energy boost. One nice thing about Skinade is that you can't drink caffeine for an hour before you have your Skinade. So lots of people will have it first thing in the morning, and if you're trying to sort of push your caffeine back a little bit, so you're not having caffeine first thing in the morning, then you can have your Skinade first thing in the morning. It gives you a bit of an energy boost as you're missing your caffeine, and then you can drink your caffeine an hour later. Of course, if you can't go without your coffee in the morning, then you just bring your collagen drink to be drunk slightly later in the day. I just like to drink mine as soon as I wake up first thing. So as well as those vitamin Bs, we also have vitamin C. Vitamin C is really important if you're taking collagen. So you need the vitamin C in order for the collagen to actually be absorbed in the body. So really important to choose a collagen supplement that has vitamin C as well. It's also got L-lysine, which is a really exciting ingredient for anyone who suffers with cold sores. So it's a really good immune system for boosting the immune system, but it's also known to prevent and help prevent cold sores. So that's a really good little addition in there as well. So Skinade is something that you would usually do a course of 30 days. And you would begin by drinking it every day for those 30 days. Now, some people will just carry that on and drink it daily afterwards. A course of 90 days is fantastic if you can. And then after that, if you want to, you can start drinking them less often. Some people carry on drinking them every day, but you can go to every other day or slightly less if you want to make them last longer. So come and see us. Ask us about Skinade and find out a little bit more about how it can help your skin. As I say, it also will really strengthen the nails and really improve the quality of your hair. So great things as well as improving the skin. We have some special offers here on Skinade for Love Your Skin Month, so do give us a call about those and come in and ask us any questions that you might have about Skinade. So we're also offering free consultations this month. Do check out our other videos about the products that we have here and looking at the skin in more depth, and we hope to see you soon.